Footage captured by a Russian FPV crew shows enemy forces in the rear area. Special forces from the SER group, along with units from the 344th Strategic Missile Forces and motorized infantry regiments, are seen moving into position for operations. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. In this video, a Ukrainian serviceman attempts to neutralize a Russian surveillance drone in the Zaporizhzhia direction. Taking cover among the ruins of a building, he carefully positions himself to intercept the drone. Despite his efforts, the drone remains unaffected, maintains observation of his location, and carries out a strike on the surrounding area. Russian armed forces destroyed a Ukrainian PVD position in the Sankovo settlement using an LMUR strike, eliminating the guided missile site in a single hit. Additionally, Russian air forces targeted the deployment point of the Ukrainian Armed Forces 38th Brigade in Norad with a FAB bomb, destroying it completely. Fiber optic FPV drone operators from the Russian North group carried out a coordinated dual operation targeting a Ukrainian pickup truck in the Kazaki-Lopian area. The mission demonstrates the use of precision unmanned systems to monitor and engage enemy vehicles in contested terrain. In the video, 2 Russian drones are seen tracking a Ukrainian vehicle transporting soldiers and supplies, maintaining continuous surveillance over its movements. The first drone then engages the vehicle from behind, forcing it to lose control and veer off the road, ultimately coming to a stop near the wall of a nearby house. The second drone then moves in and disables the vehicle completely. 3 Ukrainian soldiers were detected by Russian drones while moving across open terrain. Upon noticing the drones, they sought cover in a nearby trench. Subsequently, drones equipped to deliver munitions targeted the position. The engagement resulted in the trench being effectively neutralized. Russian soldiers are conducting operations to secure Ukrainian underground bunkers by placing anti-tank mines inside, aiming to neutralize the positions and prevent further use by opposing forces. The video shows Russian soldiers systematically neutralizing bunkers where Ukrainian forces had established positions. On a daily basis, the troops continue to monitor and secure multiple bunkers, denying Ukrainian soldiers any opportunity to take cover or regroup within these fortified locations. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. In this footage, while a drone remains positioned on the road, a robotic platform approaches it. The interaction highlights the integration of unmanned systems on the battlefield, showcasing how drones and robotic platforms can operate in close coordination or investigate objects autonomously. In this footage, Russian reporting states that fighters of the 16th Special Purpose Brigade, operating in close coordination with the 169th Motorized Rifle Brigade, identified and destroyed a shelter containing enemy personnel in the Krasnolymansk direction. The narration emphasizes the precision of the joint action, reconnaissance confirming the target, assault elements moving in sync, and the strike eliminating the position in a single coordinated blow. A Russian drone approaches a Ukrainian armored personnel carrier, monitoring its movements from above. The crew inside notices the drone's presence, but the surveillance continues without interruption. Fortunately, everyone inside the vehicle remains safe, highlighting the controlled and precise nature of aerial reconnaissance. A Russian FPV drone suddenly detects a group of Ukrainian soldiers moving through a forested area, maintaining aerial surveillance over their positions. In today's footage, a Russian attack FPV drone approached a Ukrainian pickup truck during a reconnaissance mission at high speed. 2 soldiers were in the back, and as the drone closed in, one managed to jump out at the last second, narrowly avoiding the incoming threat. The clip demonstrates the increasing use of FPV drones for rapid assault and battlefield reconnaissance. Ukrainian soldier Vadim of the K2 battalion demonstrated extraordinary courage during a frontline engagement that has become emblematic of individual heroism under fire. Confronted by 6 Russian soldiers alone, he did not have the time to don his helmet or body armor before entering the fight. Despite the overwhelming odds, Vadim held his position, relying on his skill, training, and the support of Ukrainian drones providing real-time reconnaissance and targeting assistance. With this support, Vadim was able to force the enemy group to retreat, neutralizing the immediate threat to his unit and preventing further escalation in that sector. His actions displayed not only tactical skill but also remarkable presence of mind and determination under extreme pressure. Tragically, shortly after this engagement, Vadim fell in battle, paying the ultimate price for his bravery. His sacrifice underscores the harsh realities of frontline combat, while highlighting the heroism of individuals who act decisively to protect their comrades and accomplish critical objectives. Vadim's legacy endures as a symbol of courage, dedication, and selflessness, inspiring his unit, the wider Ukrainian forces, and all who hear of his deeds. A true legend, his memory is honored and will not be forgotten. Rest in peace. A Russian FPV drone targeted 2 heavily armored Ukrainian vehicles near Kupiansk. Unable to withstand the successive drone attacks, the crews abandoned the vehicles and fled across open terrain. Exposed and vulnerable, they quickly became easy targets. What happened next was inevitable. Drone operators from the 1234th Regiment conducted operations in the Krashyman's direction, successfully identifying and destroying enemy Humvee vehicles. November 7, 2025. In the Lipy direction, a well-coordinated ambush resulted in the destruction of a Ukrainian armed forces pickup truck. 1 soldier was later found disoriented in the forest after losing the vehicle. November 6, 2025, Russian reconnaissance drone operators detected a Ukrainian armed forces reinforcement group. After precisely calculating the coordinates, an attack UAV was deployed, striking the position decisively. Both the position and the equipment were completely destroyed. Russian reporting indicates that forces struck and destroyed a Kiev-aligned armored transport near the settlement of Robotic as it departed from Shirovo. The report emphasizes the precision and timing of the engagement, framing it as part of ongoing operations to disrupt Ukrainian movements and logistics in the sector.